Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just going to do a quick catch-up video on how to grow vegetables and herbs in pots and containers. This is what I've got growing this year. Just going to take you through them all. Get them lined up here. First of all, herb-wise, I've got this beautiful rosemary that smells absolutely divine. Then to the right of that, parsley, which I've let dry out a few times, but it's still good. And then we have here beautiful spearmint mint, and wow, that smells absolutely epic. So put those back under there. Don't have to take up much space. You can grow your herbs and your vegetables in quite small containers. So hi monkey, hi Paul, hi monkey. We have here as well, this pot here, there's just 2 seed potatoes in there. I think the Maris Piper. I shall let those grow another probably 2 inches, 3 inches, and then I will cover them again with compost. That's my spuds. They're doing well. Put them back over there. And then we have here, we have some spring onions, which are starting to look really nice. And just nipping a tip off, and yeah, they smell really oniony, which I suppose they're going to do, aren't they? Spring onions. And then we have some radishes. These are called Bong F1 hybrids. These have been left to dry out a few times, but they're surviving and they're getting a bit better now, so hopefully we'll get some nice radishes off them. And then to finish off my salad of the day, we have here one of my 6 tomato plants. As you can see here, I've just potted this on a couple of days ago. It's getting some nice flowers on there. Beautiful flowers there. A bit of a close-up. Yeah, really starting to look nice, those flowers. Beautiful colour. So I've got 1 tomato plant there. As we spin round here, I have another 5 there that need potting on. So I'm going to do that. And then I've got some lettuce to sow over the next few days. I'm going to sow some lettuce. What else is it? Oh, I've got some more herbs to sow as well. Let's get the... Yes, I've got some oregano to sow. And I've got some lemon balm, which I'm forgetting about. It's up here, which is looking nice. Nice and healthy. But look at the difference. I've got that one there, and this one here, and this one has got white fly on. See it all there? Just want to give you a bit of a close-up, if I can. Just in here. Just look at that white fly and green fly. And a lot of it. So look at the difference. Infected, just show the difference there. These 6 have been infected, these 6 haven't, and look at a massive difference. So I'll have to look what I can spray on those when they're being edibles. You can't be too careful. So hopefully, if anybody's got any good ideas what to spray lemon balm with to get rid of white fly and green fly, I would really appreciate it. I'll check to see if the spray that I normally use for my flowers I can use on. I know I can use on some herbs and vegetables. I'll just double check, make sure I can use it on those. So yeah, me and Monkey say bye. Just a quick video just to show you what you can grow. You don't need a lot of space. You don't need a lot of containers. Just on a windowsill. You could even grow these tomatoes on a windowsill. Yeah, so yeah, if you've got any questions about how to grow vegetables and herbs in pots, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. Oh, by the way, this is what I feed them on. There you go. Tomorite liquid tomato food. It's really good stuff. Can't recommend it enough. I also use that on my flowers as well. So yeah, I'm using a peat-based compost, and I've got some in a peat-free compost. I prefer the peat-based compost because it doesn't hold the moisture the same. It lets it dry out in between, so that's why I do prefer it. Yeah. So yeah, I'm using Tomorite. I'm using a peat-based compost. If you have any questions about anything I'm growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask me and Monkey. We'll get straight back to you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Happy sowing, happy growing. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.